This is a 2013 Lexus CT200H. This hatchback has a continuously variable transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, front fog lights, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, keyless ignition, and daytime running headlights. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
We are in the center of Northridge, just across the street from the Northridge Fashion Center, and we look forward to assisting you every day.